Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and boy, what a roller coaster we've seen in the past couple of weeks. Uh, 2 weeks ago, we had a full week of snow and 0-degree weather. At our household, we got off pretty lucky with just a couple of pipe breaks, but we always kept our electricity and our water, and I know many of you guys out there were not nearly that fortunate. Um, and then this past week we got up to 70 degrees. So in the space of a week, we went from 0 degrees to 70, and that's quite a spread. That's hard on people, but it's also very hard on plants, and we're starting to see that effect on a lot of our shrubs. I suspect also we're going to see that soon in our lawns. And so the question is, what are we going to be doing? Is there any kind of adjustment we need to make with our lawn care program? Uh, and what we'll be doing, typically speaking, this time of year on St. Augustine and zoysia lawns, we would be putting a pre-emergent out to prevent spring and summer weeds. But every time you put a pre-emergent out on a lawn, what that does is to actually damage the lawn just a tiny bit. Now, most of the time that's not a problem because the lawn springs back and you never even notice that. But with all this freezing weather, I suspect that tropical plant at St. Augustine and possibly the zoysia too may be suffering some root damage. So instead of that pre-emergent, what we'll be putting out is a special root stimulating fertilizer. That fertilizer is 1846-0-diammonium phosphate, and that's a fancy word for something that helps the roots of that St. Augustine recover. What it does not do is to push the top growth. That's the last thing we want to do as we head on into spring is stress the grass out by trying to promote the foliage or the leaves from coming out too fast. So what we'll be doing is we're going to be choosing in the short term having a few more weeds than either you or I actually like. But the long-term goal is to get that grass back healthy again as quickly as we can. And we're hoping for a lot of the St. Augustine and the zoysia. Hopefully we'll start seeing those results in sometime at late April, early May. That's when we'll really know how healthy those lawns are. So those are the changes that we're making here around Village Green because, as you've seen, we try to tailor everything that we're doing to your specific lawn and the situation that we're seeing each and every year. It's never a one-size-fits-all program. So that's what we're doing. This is Ken with Village Green, your neighborhood lawn company. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share them with your friends.